In this video, I will be showing you guys how to share and scan a WhatsApp QR code. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp. Now navigate to the settings page. Once you're over here, at the very top, you're gonna find your username. And at the right corner of it, you're gonna find this QR code option. Click on that. With that, your QR code will be visible. At the top right, you're gonna find that share option. Clicking on that, you are able to share your QR code. Likewise, to scan the QR code, you can click on this option scan. With that, your camera will open up. Now you can go ahead and scan another person's QR code. Tap add to contacts once the scan is successful. QR code does not expire unless you manually reset or remove them from your settings. WhatsApp QR codes are useful for adding new contacts or creating quick access links to chat. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily share and scan WhatsApp QR codes. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.